Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up half.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, hey, we some snipers.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. I have missed you. I have. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. And in case anyone here was unaware, we were Benzinga FinTech Awards finalists last year for Best Data Analysis Tool. We're up for another award this year, coming for that first place prize. But we're also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online education and platform that combines university level trading and investing tools with premium stock market tools with live workshops and individual mentorship on stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We day trade, we swing trade. We also cover long-term investing. There is literally something for everybody here at True Trading Group. So if you guys are wondering maybe who the hell I am and why I should listen to a single thing that I discuss on this channel, it's because I did not figure this stuff out on my own. I didn't have to watch YouTube videos or sit in Discord chats. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City. It's my first job right out of college. They had me go through a training program before they let me touch $1 of their money. And then 2008 happened. And that was the Great Recession. That was the big stock market crash. But it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, fast forward, I'm the co-founder and the head trader at True Trading Group, along with my team of 8 other professional full-time trading mods and an over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. We have over 10,000 members in 117 different countries, truly a global community here at True Trading Group. So if you guys are ready to learn trading profit for real, you have come to the right place. The moderators and I collectively as a group, we are all fully transparent. We upload our trading activity from our brokerage accounts onto the TTG website each and every single day. So you get to see every single transaction that is made. The moderators and I collectively as a group have maintained a cumulative win rate on all of those executions of just around 80%, now going on roughly the last 5 years. Every buy, every sell, every entry, every take profit, every stop, every green, red, break-even trade. It is all there for you guys to see. So again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. Don't ever miss out on these videos. And of course, share this video on your own social media. Let's reach out, let's educate, let's empower as many retail traders as we possibly can. Sean Johnson, I'd love to hear it, says, Mike, my MSTR calls are up 350%. Mike's analysis was spot on. Yes, indeed it was. Indeed it was. MicroStrategy has been the largest P&L trade of the month for us inside of True Trading Group. It's a stock that we hit. Some members hit it 3 times. I mean, we've gone back in, and I'm not in the position right now. I've since exited this position, but it's been the biggest P&L trade that we had so far this month. MicroStrategy, just new all-time highs today. I mean, we literally, our first entry was right there. I mean, if you've been following the YouTube channel, then we entered the trade there, and there. So here were the 3 entry points on the MicroStrategy trade. It's been an absolute monster to, obviously enter, take profits, enter, take profits. You're just kind of been continuously just kind of reloading on the position. I'm not in it now, full disclosure. I'm not in it now at 235. I got to get off the train at some point. I'm not in it now, but I honestly think that there's still more room to the upside. You see another member talking about 100% gain. There it is. MSTR 11.15, 220 strike call, 16.25 to $33. It's 100% banger for. I got 99 problems, but a bid ain't one. Love the username. Love the username. Yeah, just kind of reading some of these comments that you have coming through here. But this is really what it's all about, right? This is the analysis that you guys get at True Trading Group. These are the trades that you guys get at True Trading Group. And we don't Monday morning quarterback these type of things. Lady Boss says MSTR been trading weekly, game changer for Lady Boss. Everybody loves a Lady Boss. Hitting it big. I love it. Congratulations, Lady Boss. Game changer for MicroStrategy. And it's not even just MicroStrategy. I know MicroStrategy is the stock that I personally traded, but there's so many different ways for you guys to capitalize on crypto. And crypto's been red hot. Bitcoin's back above 68K. You are a stone throw away from all-time highs on Bitcoin. I feel like the election could be a catalyst to take Bitcoin to a new all-time high. And I think that we could see a rally in Bitcoin going into the end of the year. And that's why I don't necessarily think that the move in these crypto names is over with. Yes, MicroStrategy was the biggest P&L trade of the month of October for us inside of True Trading Group, but it may not be over. That's the crazy thing when we think about. So out of my top 3 trades of this year, 2 of them were crypto related. One was Coinbase, one was MicroStrategy, and the other was Moderna. Those are my 3 biggest trades so far of this year. All swing trades, all trades that we sat in for a week or 2. These are trades you could have entered on a Tuesday, totally forgot it while you were at work, totally forgot about it, get notified 2 days later, we took profit, get notified 3 days later, we took profit, get notified the next day, we reloaded, get notified 2 days later, we took profit, because all you need is the mobile app on your phone. That's it, right? You guys download the mobile app on your phone. You can stay connected to our chat. You can listen to the audio because the moderators and I, remember there's 8 professional traders plus myself that are with you every single day. We share our screens with you. We talk to you on the microphone. We give you our analysis. We answer questions. We're with you from pre-market all the way through into the close. We're not gone after an hour or 2 when you're left to fend for yourself. But I understand that many of you are busy. 82% of our members have a full-time job. So trust me, I get it. It's not COVID anymore. You're not sitting at home in front of your computer screen. I don't expect you to. That's why we have the mobile app. iPhone, Android, whatever, download it. Doesn't matter. You'll get real-time push notifications when our moderators enter and exit positions. That way you can follow along with what you're doing, with what we are doing, even if you're not in front of your computer. So that's how so many of our members that have been busy and that have been, back at work, that's how they're able to make money. That's how, using the mobile app. Hello, Glenn. What's up? I like that. Glenn just coming in smooth. Hello, Mike. Hello, Glenn. As I take a final sip of my wonderful espresso, because I need it. I need the energy. We have a lot to talk about today. We've got crypto back on fire. We got to talk about, what do you think about that? You got Tesla exploding to the upside after earnings. Elon Musk conference call yesterday was just unbelievable. Better than people would expected on the conference call, and the things that he went over and things that he said. So we got to talk about where we see Tesla going now, going forward. That was another big trade for today inside True Trading Group. I think that was Andrea Weber was on the Tesla trade today. Tesla was one of my top trade ideas today, but I never got the buy point, right? Never got the buy point. Okay. So Tesla was a big winner for members today. MicroStrategy was a big winner for members today. It's been a big month. And when it's really, it's really something that I've seen a lot of our members recently kind of turn a corner with. And, the vast majority of our members are successful, right? But we have over 10,000 members. Not every single member is going to be successful. And by successful, I mean they're consistently making money, right? That these people are making money. That's what it means to be successful, right? That's why you guys are here. You're here to make money. You're not here to make friends, although friends are nice, but we're here to make money, right? That's the reality of everything. And that's exactly what our members are doing. Now, I'm not even going to say that I don't expect you to believe me just because I said that to be true, but you can ask members themselves, members of True Trading Group. And then I'm going to get into a bunch of lessons I want to cover with you guys, and we'll talk about Tesla specifically. That's kind of the main focus I want to do here. But members, if you guys are on this live stream and you guys are making money and you're becoming better traders, do me a favor real quick and just type the number 1. Just type the number 1 if you guys are making money. Type the number 1 if you're making money and you're becoming better traders because of TTG. And for anyone that's not a member, just pay attention to what you see come through here, and you see how many people that are telling you that they're making money and that they're doing this, because I feel like a lot of people think that it's not for them anymore because they're not at home or they don't have a large account. I mean, these are people that had small accounts. These are people that have full-time jobs. If they can do this, then so can you. These are not people with Wall Street experience or some fancy Ivy League education. I mean, you don't need all these crazy. It's like the retail trader has catapulted itself into a serious place of participation in the markets, and with the tools and resource and education that places like True Trading Group provides, you guys finally have a real fair shot of being successful. And that's why so many people are typing number 1, telling you that they're making money now, because they have access to this type of stuff they didn't have previously. So, and when you take a look at specifically today, you look at some of the biggest trades in the market today, the biggest movers were Tesla and MNPR. And that brings me back to one of the reasons why I feel like a lot of our members have turned a corner and have reached a better level of consistent profitability and have reached a different level of success, is because of the development and the implementation and the inclusion of AI that we've done inside of True Trading Group with our trading assistant, which is called Mari. Now, we launched Mari a while ago. We spent over 2 years developing Mari. And we are at the forefront of the AI, revolution as it relates to finance and trading and investing. And I'm not just saying that because I'm an owner of True Trading Group, but I'm talking to you from a trader to another trader. I've looked at 20 other different trading bots or trading assistants, AI related, whatever you want to call them. None of them can even hold a candle and compare it to what it is that we're doing. So earlier today, our AI actually alerted, we can break it up into small cap versus large cap. And they, broke it down to say, hey, the best looking setup, the best TTG triangle looking setup, which is a pattern that I'll teach you guys as a member of True Trading Group. It's my favorite pattern. It's got a, 75% plus success rate, and it gives you 3, 4, 5, 6 to 1 risk reward. It's my favorite pattern. It's the pattern that you guys would, I built my entire 18-year career on. And it is, something I teach all of our members. And we've trained our AI to identify and to find these setups, but not just trained it to identify them. We've trained it to determine the quality of that setup and the strength of that setup. So our AI every day will go through, and this is just one of the 1,000 different list of things that it's capable of doing, but it'll go through and it'll identify, hey, here's the TT triangles that we see in the market. I can't look at 13,000 stocks at once. Mari can. And it'll say, hey, here's the TT triangles that we see. And then you can run and ask it, well, what's the strongest, highest quality TT triangle that you see? And it identified for large caps, it identified Tesla, and for small caps, it identified MNPR. And if you take a look at that, Okay. And listen, I like Trade Ideas, TradingView, other companies. I don't just hate on all other companies, right? Like we work very closely with Trade Ideas and TradingView and Benzinga and like, the CBOE and the NASDAQ directly. Like not just hating on other companies. I'm just telling you that I've used personally as a trader to see what value that there is in some of these AI trading bots and these AI assistants. And sure, some of them are better than others. Some of them are complete total crap. They're a total gimmick. There's no value whatsoever. Others are decent, but none of them have, in my opinion, the quality of the analysis and the ability that ours does. And I've seen so many of our members have already been making money with this, like the TT Triangle Scanner. We just launched it October 17th. And you already have people that have already made well over $1,000 just using that thing over the course of the last 7 calendar days. It's not even 7 trading days yet. And it's because of the quality of the analysis to alert people to trade setups like MMPR. MMPR, this thing was just lighting up the scan, right? We did it live with members in chat. That it was lighting up the scan all here. All in there was lighting up TT Triangle, best looking one out of small caps, best looking one out of small caps. And the stock then proceeds to just pop 65% over the course of the next 2 hours. Right. And a lot of members were able to capitalize on that. And a lot of members were able to take advantage and were able to hit on that. And then you have Tesla, which was just a runaway freight train. And that TT Triangle was going off. Okay. Went off twice today. It went off once early in the morning and then it went off again at 12 o'clock. So it went off. It went off 3 times today. It went off there. It went off here. And it went off all the way back here in the morning, went off in here. So you had 3 different situation where Tesla was on the scan literally the entire day when you ask it. And this is resulting in people making money with it. It's crazy, and a TT Triangle, you guys, the whole thing and the whole concept about a TT Triangle is, for those of you that are not familiar with what a TT Triangle is, because if you're not a member, you don't know what it is. You can't just Google it. It's a phrase and a term that I made up myself. Right. So, sorry. Yeah. So I just totally lost my train of thought because I just read a message that was coming through. There you go. Mar AI is so amazing. I found and made money since I started using it for the first time. It's a game changer. Yeah. AI is something you'll make money with. It's amazing. New people, this is for real. I'm just reading some of the comments that are coming through from some of our members that are using this. So the thing about the TT Triangle, obviously, if you're not a member, you don't know what it is. If you're an experienced trader, it's a variation of the ABCD pattern. And it's when very specific criteria are met. Okay. It doesn't just mindlessly make you money. It is a co-pilot. Okay. I need you all to understand that our AI doesn't just mindlessly make you money. It doesn't predict the future. If that's what you're looking for, just hop off the live stream. If you're looking for some kind of AI to predict the future, good luck. You're never going to find it. It's not how you're supposed to use AI as it relates to trading. Anybody that tells you their AI predicts the future is just completely full of shit. And if you're dumb enough to fall for that marketing tactic, then you deserve to lose the money. But for the people that are actually looking for, real guidance and real advice and are looking to use AI properly in order to make money, I'm more than happy to show you guys how to actually use it. It's not as simple as just, here's an alert and then here comes the gains. Like, you need to kind of know what you're doing, and use your own knowledge and use your own mind to say to yourself, okay, if the AI says one thing, do I agree with that? Right? Do I agree with it? Use your own knowledge, right? Use it to confirm what it is that you're looking at. If you think you see support and a bull flag and you think the stock looks like it's going higher, ask Mari if Mari's analysis is the same. That's the proper way that you should be using it. It takes a large amount of data. Okay. Your brain, my brain cannot compute this data fast enough or vast enough. And it does so from all different angles in an instant. Like, that's what AI is for, right? Like, I can't analyze 13,000 stocks all at once, but Mari can. Okay. That's what you guys have to understand when it comes to properly using AI to help you with your trading decisions. Cisco says the best AI tool that I've ever seen. TTD is truly a blessing. Right? There it is. AI is here to stay. Whether you like it or not, whether you're intimidated by it or not, AI is here to stay. Okay? Your broker is going to have it. Okay? If it doesn't have it already, your broker is going to have some type of AI co-pilot, AI, component to it. You guys are going to have, this is going to become part of everyday life, not just even with trading, but that's what we're talking about for it here. And thank God, because now it actually makes it easier for the everyday person. The people that are going to benefit the most from the integration of AI are not the hedge funds. They already have access to all the crazy algorithms and all the crazy computing power and all the data and all the analysts and all the information. It's the everyday retail trader that's going to benefit the most from this, because it's the everyday retail trader that does not have access to all of that information, that cannot use all of that computing power that hedge funds have in order to go through all these different data points and make this analysis and come to this conclusion and use algorithms and everything else. It's the average retail trader that doesn't know when a particular piece of news comes out, or doesn't know why the market is up or down on a particular day, or can't go through and filter through 10,000 different stocks to find the best opportunity on the day. The average retail trader can't do that. The average retail trader relies on social media, and they fall victim to FOMO. And the only time that they find out about a stock is after it's already made a big move. They never find out about the stock before it's made the big move. The average retail trader is busy. They're doing 100 other things during the day. They're working their jobs. They're taking care of their families. They're not sitting at a computer desk trading every single day like someone that works at a hedge fund. So it's the people like you that are going to benefit the most from tools like this. That's why we've been investing 7 figures in 2 years into building this product out, because everything that we do in True Trading Group is to make sure that our members have the best chance of making money, period. Our whole entire business model is give our members everything they need to have the best chance of success, because if we do that and they're successful, they'll stay. Our competitors, their business model is promise a bunch of bullshit, promise I'm going to make you, $1,000 a day in 10 minutes a day, promise I'm going to make you quit your job and you're going to become a millionaire, promise you I have some futuristic, future predicting AI tool. And then when you realize none of it is true, you unsubscribe, you cancel your membership. They need to now spend more money to then replace you. It's a revolving door, right? They just sexy marketing tactic, get you in the door, you fail, you leave, they need to replace you. It's a revolving door. We are the opposite. Okay, our marketing is our members, because our members are successful, and I'll prove that to you. Guys, if you've ever recommended True Trading Group to anybody before, if you've recommended a family member, a friend, a coworker, a complete stranger, if you ever recommended somebody joins True Trading Group, go ahead and type the number 2. Go ahead and type the number 2. Now, watch how many people type the number 2. This is how you know that members are successful with TTG. That's how you know. Because they join, they have success, they tell people about it. It's no different than when you go to a new restaurant and you had the greatest meal you've ever had. And you're like, oh man, the Bronzino is the best I ever had. You tell people about it. That when someone asks you, oh, hey, where do you want to go to eat? You go, oh, hey, I tried this restaurant. You guys got to go. You got to check it out. I had the best Bronzino. It was so good. But you go to a restaurant, it sucks. You're not going to tell your friends and your family members to go there unless you hate them. You see, our members generally give a damn about each other's success. The moderators generally care about our members' success. And that's exactly what people are accomplishing, success. And by success, I mean make money. So we don't spend millions of dollars on marketing. Hell, we don't spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on marketing. Our competitors do. But we've grown from 100 members to over 10,000 members over the last few years because our members are successful. And because we always reinvest back into the platform to make sure that our members have access to everything it is they need to become successful. And for those of you that are on here that are not members, join our trial. It's free. Come hang out for 7 trading days. It's the best time to do it. Next week is mega cap earnings. You got Alphabet, Meta, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. You have all those earnings coming out next week. No credit card required. Just enter your name, email, your phone number, click yes, I want this. And you guys are, fill up the form. And you guys are good to go. It's free. You don't have to enter your credit card. Go to ttgtrial.com. Again, that's ttgtrial.com. Come see what all the craze is about. Come make some money with us. It's been a monster month of October. You saw members, MicroStrategy, monster, Tesla, monster, MNPR, monster. Come hang out, take advantage of the group, take advantage of the trade alerts, communicate with members, ask questions to the moderators, follow our trades if you guys would like. It literally costs you nothing. It's 7 trading days, not 7 calendar days. So Saturday and Sunday do not count against your trial. You'll get 7 trading days with us on our platform. Go to ttgtrial.com. Your trial also includes 7 days of Benzinga Pro's newsfeed, 7 days of TradingView Pro, stocks, options, all alerts on your mobile app. You can download the mobile app. So if you're at your desk or you're sitting at your desk and you're not paying attention to trading, you have your phone on you, boom, you get notification. Oh, they just bought Tesla call options. All right, log in, buy some call options, put your phone down. 2 hours later, oh, they just took profit. Log in, take some profit, adjust your stop loss, put your phone down. The next day, oh, they just took profit again. Log in, take profit, put your phone down. You can all do that. You also get 3 sample courses with your trial, a video library, so much more. Go to ttgtrial.com. It is free. You don't have to enter your coupon. You don't have to enter your credit card, excuse me. Okay. Adam, show them how easy it is to sign up, please. It's so easy. Just show them. There it is. So ttgtrial.com right there. Name, email, phone number. Yes, I want this. Boom. Done. Name. Email. Phone number. Yes, I want this. Palantir CEO on CNBC right now. I love it. Love it. Palantir is another monster win for us in True Trading Group. That is in the long-term portfolio. So big shout out. We're up 100% on our long-term portfolio position on Palantir. Congratulations, all of our members. We do that as well. We do long-term portfolio stuff as well. You guys get notified when we make adjustments in our long-term portfolio. When I buy stuff, when I sell stuff. The last time that I bought stuff in my long-term portfolio was August 5th. And we alerted that to our members that what I was adding to and everything that I was adding. We bought Palantir on August 5th, right around $22 a share. The stock's currently $44. That was August 5th. So 2.5 months ago, right? So again, guys, go to ttgtrial.com, join the trial. It's free. And you guys get access to all this stuff for a full 7 trading days. James says it is a quality and honest group that's designed for you to learn and trade with no BS. Beautiful. All right. So there it is, guys. Again, ttgtrial.com. It's totally free. All right. Man, speaking of Palantir, let's take a quick check in on Palantir. $44, man. What a monster. Look at this stock. So this is when August 5th was when we bought it. Right there. So crazy. Palantir is almost at its all-time high, guys. Palantir is almost at its all-time high. Right, so there's the buy. That was August 5th, and a big gap down into the 200-day moving average. And these stocks now up 100%. Yeah, the CNBC, that's why I just say CNBC is speaking on CNBC. They actually partnered with L3 Harris to advance AI in the defense and military space. So Palantir partnered with L3 Harris. That's the news. Zay, welcome, or Zay, welcome to the trial. Zay, welcome to the trial. Again, guys, that's ttgtrial.com. You got 7 trading days. There's never been a better time to do it because if you join today, remember, Saturday and Sunday don't count. So you're going to be with us for mega cap tech earnings next week. So don't wait till Monday. Join now. And then again, Saturday and Sunday don't count against your trial. So you'll be able to trade with us tomorrow. You can go through the courses, the sample courses that are part of your trial. You can go through some of the video library. You can use the Benzinga news feed, the trading view chart, all that stuff. You can use that stuff. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to rock mega cap tech earnings. So there's never been a better time for you guys to join that trial and be with us for mega cap earnings next week. It's going to be a huge, 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 huge week. All right. So yeah, Palantir, all-time high is 45. Stock is 44. I'm very bullish on Palantir long term. This is a stock that is in my forever hold basket now. Like my forever hold basket includes a lot of tech names, stocks that I've held for a long time, obviously like Apple and Microsoft and Amazon and Meta and Alphabet, the usuals, right? They're in my forever holds. AMD, Nvidia, Broadcom, those stocks are in my forever holds. CrowdStrike, Palo Alto, forever holds. Datadog is going to be one. These are stocks that I'm going to just be holding for a very long time, right? Ali, welcome to the trial. Or Ali. I'm not sure if it's Ali or Ali. I'm not sure. Welcome to the trial. Welcome to the trial. Guys, again, ttgtrial.com. It's free. It's free. I know I talk a big game on these YouTube videos, but come see for yourself, right? Come see for yourself. Come participate in the trades. Follow some of the alerts. Ask questions. See how we operate. Come see it for yourself, right? Seeing is believing. That's what they say. ttgtrial.com. You guys can do it for free. Robert, welcome to the trial, brother. Looking forward to trading with you guys tomorrow and then also next week. Looking forward to it. All right. Hopefully you guys are not Dodger fans. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. Again, the trial is 100% free, guys. You don't have to enter your credit card information. Just your name, email, phone number, and then that's it. You guys are good to go. Okay? Excellent. All right. Let's get on over to Tesla now. Oh, what I was talking about with Palantir, though, when I say Palantir now is a forever hold, so that means that every time I add, I'm adding to Palantir. I'm adding to Palantir every single year. Okay, so like all my forever hold positions, I add to them every single year. I don't care if the markets are up or the markets are down. I add to those positions every single year. Okay, so Palantir is now is in that basket of stocks. It's where every year that stock is going to be added to for the next decade. Okay, I'm very bullish on Palantir for the next decade. All right, let's talk about Tesla. Okay, because Tesla had a huge day today. I mean, look at this chart. Is that not insane? Tesla up 21%. I mean, Tesla is not a penny stock, right? Tesla is not a penny stock. My average on Palantir MD, it's around 22. It's like 21 and change, 22 is my average on Palantir. But my average is going to keep going up because I'm going to keep adding to it. All right. So I'm going to keep adding to it. All right. So Tesla had earnings yesterday, right? And we covered those earnings live with people inside chat, trial members. You guys can get all that live earnings analysis with us as well when you guys become trial members. But we covered Tesla earnings yesterday live in chat. And then you had the big gap up into resistance. And then you had the conference call that took us above resistance. And that was huge. Okay. That was huge. So when you take a look here on the daily chart, you had this, we talked about this yesterday. You had this big resistance level right there in the mid 230s. Okay. The mid 230s was this previous support. It used to be resistance. You guys can see here, you'll see this resistance. You can see support. So there it is. Support, resistance, broke above, support, gapped underneath it. So that becomes a resistance level, right? Well, yesterday you had earnings and the earnings took you right to 235 and you just sat there in the 232, 233, 232 and waited for the conference call. Conference call came, Elon Musk went over some stuff, robo-taxi type news, cheaper, affordable model, gave some guidance on demand. It gave some numbers for next year that he was thinking about. And that popped the stock through that resistance and it gapped you above this level. So then when you go into the markets today and you take a look, you were gapping above that level, and that level in the very early session. I mean, I'm not trading at 5 a.m. I doubt anyone on here is trading at 5 a.m. Eastern time, but at 5 a.m. you pulled back in and you started testing that level in the pre-market and that level was holding, and then you extended higher as you got closer to the market open. And once the market opened, you were already in the 240s, well above that resistance. And your next resistance level from there was 251. 251, then it's 258, and then it's 265 to 270 is your next resistance. And you took those levels out today. So you took the level of 251, you took that level out, that was resistance. And then you had a gap fill at 258, which is right here. You took that level out and you pushed right up into your next resistance zone. And it is a zone, and it is 265 to 270. And let me delete these lines so this becomes a little bit more clear for you guys. Okay, there is your next level of resistance, right? And resistance levels, the one thing you guys have to understand when it comes to support and resistance, and if you guys are new or if you're a trial member, you'll learn this stuff as a member. Support and resistance levels are not finite prices. They're areas, they're zones. And it's our job as traders to identify how wide those zones are so that you can make a distinction between, is the level broken or is the level being tested? Okay, that resistance level on Tesla is not going to be broken until you push well into the 270s. If this thing is trading 267 tomorrow, that level is still not broken. The level that you see on my screen right here, the level's not broken, it's being tested, okay? And that's a very big difference. Understanding this can help you guys set profit targets when you're in position, and it can also help prevent you from entering trades prematurely. Like you might say, oh, 270 resistance is, this 265 resistance is broken, I'm going to get long, when really that resistance level is still intact, and then the stock pulls back and you get stopped out, right? YV Rose, welcome to the trial. Welcome to the trial. Guys, again, the trial is free. I mean, what do you guys have to lose? You don't have to enter a credit card or nothing. Just go to ttgtrial.com and sign up, and then download the app, and you guys can get trade alerts sent right to your cell phone for the next 7 trading days. Again, it's 7 trading days, not 7 calendar days. Okay? Again, that's ttgtrial.com. And I think that's where we're going. I think that's where we're going now on Tesla. What I think we need to do here now after this huge day, I'm a little skeptical of this resistance level, right? I just think that there's so much resistance up here, right? You guys can see all this, right? Here, just take a look. Look at that, right? Shry, welcome to the trial. Welcome to the trial. Again, guys, ttgtrial.com. That's ttgtrial.com. All right, that's ttgtrial.com. It's totally free. All right. So there's the resistance level that we see on Tesla. And what I'm thinking, I think we're going to get up there and test this level. I just don't think the level is going to break on the first try. So what I actually anticipate from Tesla price action wise, I would say that we look for this previous resistance level that was at 250, 251. We look for that to be support. And I would say you look for Tesla to push into this level. And then once you push into that resistance, I think you pull back and then you consolidate a little bit. Right, you do something that looks like that, okay? But I do think that we're going to push up into, that level over the course of the next couple of days. And next week is going to have a lot to do with that, because next week you're going to, like, Tesla was the first of the Mag 7 to report earnings. Okay, the rest of the Mag 7, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, Meta, NVIDIA, right? Now, NVIDIA doesn't report earnings until November. NVIDIA has got weeks before they report earnings. But Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta are going to report next week. So that's going to really set the tone as far as sentiment for the overall market, right? And then that'll determine how far into this resistance level I think Tesla can push. But I'm cautious once you get into the 270s. I don't think Tesla is going to be able to break through the 270s and get to like 300, right? So I think that you got to be careful. I think the long is in play. Obviously, the long is there, and I think you look for it to push to the 270 mark, and then you got to start taking profits on the long. Justin, welcome to the trial. Everybody welcome Justin. Justin, welcome. Another new trial member. Good. This is great. We got a lot of new people that are joining that are going to be trading with us over the next 7 days. Guys, it's YouTube. I know you guys are saying that the video is buffering. It's YouTube. It's YouTube. I'm excited to learn because I've always listened to your live. Yes. YV Rose says, I'm excited to learn. I've been listening to I always listen to your live. I can't wait. That's beautiful. I love it. A loyal YouTube viewer. Now you're a trial member and hopefully soon to be an annual member. Looking forward to it. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Glenn Wilson says, new people, it's free. Join now. This is real. 7 days. Glenn Wilson. Glenn, you've been with us for what, brother? Like 4 years, I feel like. At least 3 years. How long have you been with us, Glenn? It's got to be at least, it's got to be, right? It's got to be 4 years now, I feel like, or maybe 3. It's at least 3. So basically, guys, if you sign up today for the trial, you have till November 1st. So again, Saturday and Sunday do not count against your 7-day trial. It's 7 trading days. Okay. I want to make sure that you guys understand that. ttgtrial.com. Go there now. No credit card required. 4 years. I thought so, Glenn. Yeah. 4 years for Glenn. And again, guys, this is how you know that our members are successful. Guys, do me a favor. Type the number 2. If you have been a member for longer than a year, type the number 2. So this basically means you've stayed with us, because when you join, it's a year membership, right? How many of you have been a member for longer than a year? Type the number 2. For those of you that are on here that are not members, just pay attention, man. Pay attention, right? If these people weren't successful, why would they renew their membership? Because when you find something that works, you stay, right? If you're making money, why would you leave? So again, you guys get a chance at this 7 days for free. ttgtrial.com. Do it. Do it. Johnny Red, neat. Do it. Do it. Ugh, Johnny Red. I can't drink that. Anybody have any questions for me? J.E. Blanco, my 4th TTG birthday is November 30th. 4-year anniversary for J.E. Blanco coming up. You guys have any questions for me on Tesla? Anybody? Before we move on. We have my mentor session tonight. Everyone that's part of my 6-month mentor program. So make sure you guys tune in for that. Adam, you know what? If we have a minute, Adam, you want to show them what the trial dashboard looks like? Nobody asked me a question. Nobody necessarily asked me a question about Tesla. So, yeah, there you go. So here's your dashboard. For those of you that are wondering, like when you become a trial member, this is what your trial dashboard looks like. So you guys can see here's what you guys get access to, right? This is your trial dashboard. You guys can just kind of see, go through here. You can see that the AI.
Yo, what's going on?
Oh, there you go. I was going to say, we're looking at your window. What's up, man? Hey, guys, this is Adam, for those that don't know.
Namaste.
Adam is the brains behind.
Namaste. All right, real quick, just to show you guys what you get as a trial. All right, so here's what it is. First and foremost, you will get access to this awesome dashboard. On this dashboard, you have announcements, main chat. You have the courses you get access to, Benzinga Pro and TradingView. You have real-time streaming data automatically activated for the 7 trading days. So right here is where you would build out your watch list for the day. You can have multiple watch lists. So for example, if I come in here, I'm going to go ahead and I have a default watch list already here. I want to put in SPY. I'm going to go ahead and add it. And on the next tick, you get pre-market and post-market data included. None of this costs any more money. Let's add another symbol to it. And we'll do Apple. Add another symbol. We'll do NVIDIA. Right? And you can see as soon as there's a tick or a trade, it'll start. You can just build this out. You can have as many watch lists as you want. We also have it for crypto. So if you wanted to put in BTC, right? Do that as well, Ethereum, whatever you want. And then you have your watch list right there, okay? Really, really nice, really convenient, very demure. Then you have real-time economic calendar thanks to our friends over at Benzinga. So you can see exactly what's going on every single day, not just in the US, but internationally, because we have members in over 115 different countries at True Trading Group that trade all sorts of markets. We are a global community. Then we have the earnings calendar, right? So you can see here firsthand, we see that this is today's earnings schedule, right? You can see what time the earnings came out. You can see who hit, who missed, right? And then we see tomorrow. We have the estimates, and we'll be able to follow through tomorrow on who's presenting. It's also all real-time search. So, Tesla already happened, but we can do like AMD, we can do Google, we can do NVIDIA's not for a while, but you get the idea, right? Then you have your chat room schedule down here at the bottom, in case you didn't notice it on top, right here. You have a reminder down here. It'll show you that the chat room is closed right now. STR is closed, and Lifetime Lounge is closed for the moment. STR will be opening up as soon as this is done, all right? Scrolling back up to the top, you do get 24/7 access to the Benzinga Pro newsfeed. That is an awesome, awesome service. We are grateful to our partners over at Benzinga, and we feel bad for anyone else that was nominated for the 2024 Best AI Data Tool at the FinTech Awards next month, because we're shooing.
Yeah.
We're
gonna win this thing. We're gonna win this thing,
hands down.
We're up for best we're up for best AI analysis tool. We are going to win this thing. There's nothing else in the industry that, in my opinion, comes close to our AI tool. And I think that the industry has taken notice of that. And I'm willing to place wagers that we are going to take this thing home.
Yeah. So you get access to, you see all the courses in red you don't have access to. However, there's 3 courses here that you do have access to. Understanding what's possible. This course is where we cut through all the BS. You've seen a lot of stuff online about Lambos, mansions, yachts, and this tells you what's actually real. It doesn't get simpler than that. Right. You get to see what trading tools you have access to, some basic information on charts, and time to learn, trade, and profit. This is putting it all together. These are 3 sample courses that you have access to. Okay? Then you're going to go over here, and you have tools of the trade. So Benzinga Pro, just like we said, you'll click it, opens up in a new browser window. You have the charts. We click on Benzinga. I like dark mode, and here you go. Live streaming news and Squawk throughout the entire day. Full access, 24/7. Okay? You also have TradingView Premium. TradingView is an official partner of ours. So you have real-time streaming data. You have multi-chart layouts. As you can see, your watch list will transfer over into here. You can even click it, and it'll change on the charts. Everything's connected. The news will update, just like TradingView, because it is TradingView.
Right.
You can even put in custom studies. So this is where you would put in like your Pine scripts, right? And you can toggle pre-market and post-market data on and off. You have every single indicator. It really doesn't get better than this. And if you don't like something on the screen, if you want to focus more, you can just delete stuff on the screen. You can drag and drop and move it around. You can resize it, right? If I wanted to, I could even go ahead and there's a little sidebar here. If I click the hamburger, I can put out a notes tab, and I can just take some notes on this trade and this chart, right? So a lot of stuff that you can do here. You also get access to insider trades, right? Government trades. Marjorie Taylor Greene is on a fucking tear today. I'm not a big fan of hers. And it doesn't matter. But on a tear, okay? And yeah, You can essentially get all of Pelosi's trades. I feel like that's kind of calmed down a little bit. But you get the idea. All of this is included with your trial. It's all real time. It's all streaming. And it's all accessible 24/7, right? You also get access to options flow and dark pool data. So for my option traders out there, this is a big, big win for you. Just takes a second to load. There we go. So you get all real-time options flow and unusual options activity. Open interest, short volume, institutional change. Break it down by sectors, right? And I really don't know what else you could potentially want that we don't have. And this is all your trial. This isn't even like what you get as a full member. This is just for the next 7 days, 7 trading days. So all of it's free, no credit card required, nothing, all free. All right, sign up, get it, get the advantage, it's yours. All right, very, very cool stuff.
It's awesome. Nothing like it, guys. Take advantage. It's totally free. Never been a better time to do it. You got all the mega cap earnings coming up next week. It's going to be big. Markets are going to move. Whether you like it or not, markets are going to move. All right. And depending on what those earnings come in at, are going to take us back to a new all-time high and a rally into the election, and then a continued rally post-election, or some volatility going into the end of the year if these companies, report some disappointing earnings. I mean, Tesla just kind of set the stage. And obviously, there's high expectations going into all these big mega cap names, and we got to see what happens here. Mike, I bought Tesla calls, and I got a 400% gain. TTG is amazing education. I thanks the TTG team and the mods. My boy Spike, I love to hear that music to my ears. Spike, I hope you're doing well. Obviously, you are. You just got a 400% gain on Tesla options. I'd say you're doing pretty damn well. All right. So, folks, again, go to ttgtrial.com. It is free. No coupon. Excuse me. I keep saying coupon. I'm sorry. No credit card required. You just enter your name, your email, your phone number. Okay. Then click yes, I want this. And you guys are good to go. 7 trading days. No credit card required. All right. That's it, guys. Have a wonderful rest of. What is that? Is that a person? Oh, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly. Tufik. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I apologize if I am not. Welcome to the trial, though. Welcome to the trial, Tufik or Tufik. I'm not sure. Welcome to the trial. I apologize if I'm mispronouncing your name. Welcome to the trial. So we got a lot of new people that are joining us for the trial. Come say what's up tomorrow in chat. Don't be shy. Communicate. Talk to members. Talk to the mods. Really see, don't think just because you're a trial member you can't talk in chat. See what it's like to be an actual member. All right. Participate. Communicate. Members, yes or no? Will you help people if needed? Type TTG. If you're a member and you are willing to help a trial, type the letters TTG. Members, type TTG if you're willing to help somebody. Anyone that is considering joining the trial, pay attention to how helpful all of our members are. This is what makes True Trading Group so great, right? That you have thousands upon thousands of people that all share the same goal, to make money, and that are willing to help each other along the way, that genuinely care about each other's success. Look at all that. That's incredible, right? So what you got to do is go to ttgtrial.com, join us for 7 calendar days, 7 trading days, not 7 calendar days. You get 7 full trading days with us. So Saturday and Sunday do not count against your 7 days. That'll take you all the way through to November 1st. So what you guys have to do is go to ttgtrial.com, name, email, phone number, no credit card required, and I'll see you guys in chat. All right. If you guys have not yet done so, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You'll never miss out on any of these lives. because we're dropping golden nuggets on a regular basis. I'll see all of our new trial members in chat tomorrow. If you're watching this video after it's already aired, what are you waiting for? ttgtrial.com. I'll see you guys in chat.